Hey, in this quick comparison, we're looking at Miro and Milanote, so you can figure out which one fits your workflow better. So the main difference is pretty clear. Miro is a digital whiteboard made for teamwork and structured planning, while Milanote is more of a visual notebook for creative thinking, mood boards, and early ideas. Propane shines when you need real-time collaboration. You've got sticky notes, flowcharts, Kanban boards, templates, all the stuff teams use to plan projects. The downside is that it can feel a bit overwhelming if you only need something simple. Milanote is clean and very visual. It's great for mood boards, outlines, client briefs, and anything where you want a free-form creative layout. But it's not really built for complex project planning or heavy technical workflows. For collaboration, Miro is definitely stronger. Multiple people can edit at the same time, run workshops, and sketch out ideas. Milanote supports collaboration too, just not at the same real-time pace. When you compare workflows, it's basically structured versus creative. Miro is great for roadmaps, diagrams, and team planning. Milanote is better for inspiration boards, storyboards, and creative research. Freshness, Miro's free plans is good for teams, while Milanote's free version limits how many cards you can create. So yeah, the quick breakdown is Miro for teams and structured planning, and Milanote for creatives and visual thinkers. Overall, if you want real-time teamwork and structure, Miro is the better tool. If you want a clean, creative workspace for ideas, Milanote wins. And that's the comparison. Thanks for watching.